Hey, what's up? It's Kyle here. I got something to show you that's really cool. My wife just bought this for me to help me stay cool while I'm at work. So here it is. It's the hanging neck fan. It's a 5,200 milliamp hour, high capacity, 10 hours, super strong, endurance, 3-speed adjustable fan. And then it says mute large wind cooling fan. Okay, very interesting. So I'm going to be trying this out and seeing how it works. Pretty cool. So here's what it looks like out of the box. It's kind of crazy looking. It's like a weird looking drone. So you put this on your neck, and there's a little button on the back of it. We'll hit that button to turn it on. So that's low speed. We'll go the next speed, that's medium. And we'll go full power. We're gonna try it out. Ooh, that's pretty nice. I don't know, it'd be kind of weird to walk around with this thing. See if I can adjust it with one hand here. There we go. Oh, that's pretty nice. Need some misters on here to really help me stay cool. So I'm going to be trying this out while I work, and we'll see how it is. Just pulled it out of the box, so I'll let you guys know how it lasts, or if it breaks, or we'll see if that battery lasts 10 hours. I should test it one day and just leave it on. All right, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Stay cool.